Welcome everyone. Welcome to Trading World channel. Uh, we will see today is 30th July. We will see the forecast for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Let's see first the status of today. Nifty has changed 0.14% and Bank Nifty is down by 0.13%. There is no much change in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, almost flat. India VIX is around 11. Still, it is low, but it is recovering from 10. As we see, most of the Nifty auto is coming down. Small cap, mid cap, Nifty oil, metal, reality is down. Pharma done little well. IT, FMCG has done relatively well. So almost Nifty and Bank Nifty is almost flat for today, and tomorrow is expiry, so we should consider that. As per news concern, so we have the Trump tariff on India, but this may not directly impact because this negotiation is ongoing, not immediately for tomorrow. Again, if India accepts the tariff as it is, 25% around, for long term, it may not be beneficial. But if they don't accept, so those terms and conditions are there. But if it directly affects, going to affect the market, may not. There is federal news tonight, so we should see what will be the impact on these two for tomorrow. FI negative, DI positive. This is continuing trend. So it is something not new. DA has around 1,890 crore and FI was around 600 or something, 850 crore. Today, 850 crore FI sold and the DIA bought 1,899 crore. So DIA surpassed the FII. That's something which is continuing. So I don't see any new impact for tomorrow because of FI and DIA. And tomorrow is the expiry day, so volatility can be expected. Okay, let's see what's the position for Nifty today. So I told Nifty could touch this point and it will come down just as an arrow because this was the pivot for 30th. It touched, it took support, and it was almost flat for full day. Okay, so we expected the price can break 24,903, but it did not break. So the price is around 850. So, but Nifty actually recovered from 24,650 yesterday. It was a very good recovery. It has taken a support, and for today, it opened with completely red candle. This candle, the 30 minutes candle, but this 30 minutes candle were never broken. So this is a very basic rule. Whenever the opening 30 minutes candle, when it breaks that candle, usually the trend formation happens. So when 30 minutes candle was not broken, so it was not expected to go above in for a buy position. So this was a CPR. It is expected to take a support. It has taken. So what is waiting for tomorrow? Okay, tomorrow tomorrow there can be a high volatility. Let's come from daily time frame. Um, so there was a strong support at 24,600, which has been taken, which has been come down. Tomorrow is Thursday. So let's take a 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame has recovered. It is on sell side. In 3 hour time frame, so we have the sub resistance at 25,330. 2 hours time frame. Okay, so this is a strong support at 24,650. Okay, so currently the price is at 845. Let's note down these points. 24,650. One hour. Yeah, we have the support again at 1 hour. So this is the pivot. So this is the pivot for tomorrow. 8:45 is the pivot. Around 8:45 is about exactly the prices at the pivot now for tomorrow. Let's see 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame is at the support. 1 hour is also at the support. 15 minutes is there. Buy side. 5 minutes. Okay, so we have the support at 24,650, and we have the first resistance at about 24,900. Okay, so the trade is very simple. Okay, support it is 24,650. Resistance is at today. I don't want to give very close entry and exit because it was a bearish moment day before yesterday, and it was a recovery today, yesterday, and today it was a flat. Okay, so now we have a very narrow CPR, usually a narrow CPR, and on Thursday the price can be very volatile. Okay, so there can be two kinds of moments. We need to take very larger range to make an entry, safe entry. So only about 24,900 we should expect for buy position. Okay, if you want to go for long, we require to be careful. So if it breaks today's high, then we should enter for buy. Okay, this is one buy entry. Okay, so let me note it down here. Nifty for 31st July. One buy entry above 24,900. Target one 25,000. Okay, so I don't want to speculate more about 25,000. About 25,000, the next target can be 20, 25,200. Target 3, 25,330. Okay, uh, buy entry above. This is very important because there was a strong resistance today. So to safe buy entry will be 24,900. Okay, it is for option buyers. Otherwise, you would get into range bound and you may end up lose the premium. Okay, on the sell side, what is important is we have the support, immediate support is supported 831. 785 is another support. Yes, 773 is another support. Okay, let me check more. Yes, since tomorrow is Thursday, there is a possibility, this was marked, there is a possibility price can come down to this level. There is a possibility. So we require to mark the support. Okay, these are the support points. This 30th. 24,730, support 3, 24,775. This support is a very close support, which could be broken immediately on opening. Support 1 is 835. Okay. Okay. Now price is closer to sell, break support for sell position. Okay. If price breaks below 24,830 in 5 minutes candle, enter sell for target 1, 24,775. Target 2, 24,730. Target 3. Target 3 will be almost here, 24,680. 24,680. Okay. And that's it. Price, see, there is a resistance here, so I would not advise to buy one. Okay. So this is a conclusion, guys. So Nifty for 31st wave, buy entry above 24,900, target 1 25,000, target 2 25,200. This one, buy entry only above, or buy at reversal from, in case price reaches below, reversal from 680. Below 24,650, Nifty turning completely bearish for target 24,500. But it will be risk to enter because 24,650 will be a strong support. So likely 24,650 likely will not be broken because it took the support and it has come. So I don't think it will break 24,650, but tomorrow is Thursday. So the price can again touch 24,680. So buy entry only above 24,900. Okay, or buy at reversal from 24,650. Price is closer to break support for sell position. If price breaks below 24,830, which is very close, in 5 minutes can enter sell for target this one. Okay, very clearly we have uh, concluded it. Okay, let's check for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is down by 0.13%, 71%, almost flat. So if you see here today again, it is same. Bank Nifty, the 30 minutes candle, it's the same. 30 minutes candle was not broken. The first 30 minutes candle was not broken. After the 30 minutes candle, it was coming to the pivot and it was almost flat. Yeah, so see, I have put an arrow here. It will be touching. So this I was mentioning that this was the point of resistance. I have even drawn a line. So I can see here. Even I have drawn this line yesterday. So I will delete this line for now. And this arrow also I will delete. So the price exactly touched here and it reverted. So it was a very accurate prediction I made yesterday. So, but okay, now what? So again, it's the same as Nifty. So it is now a downtrend, but tomorrow is Thursday, it's expiry day. So let me delete all these things. So what we expect? Again, we have a very narrow pivot. So pivot is at 56,178. It is below the pivot. So what would I suggest is, let's see 5 minutes chart. So Bank Nifty is at very good support, 56.89. Support will break 55,961. This is an important point. Let me mark it here. Support 55,971. Okay, so this is the point. Okay, so support it as 55,971, and this was the previous low, 55,870. 55,850 was the previous low, right? So let's see 15 minutes chart. So we have 55,979. Afterwards, there is a strong support. I'm seeing Bank Nifty has a strong support. Okay, let me write it down here. Bank Nifty is at strong support for 31st July. Okay, so we have multiple support, 975, and we have the support. We have the support 8 till 850. There is a support in 30 minutes candle. You see there is a support till 850. Okay, and what I would suggest is there is a very strong support 55,850. 55,850, strong support, and this was the previous low. Okay, if it breaks 55,850, it can come to 55,600. Let's check 2 hours time frame. Yeah, 55,600, 55,500, 55,670. This can be a target. 55,600. 55,670. So there are multiple support at each stage. So likely Bank Nifty is very difficult to break all the support unless there is a big negative news which can influence the market. So if if there is a very big red candle that is going to break, then if it is going to give a very big movement, then price can come down till 55,670 in case if there is a very big break moment. But I don't think so. Bank Nifty for tomorrow will be breaking the support and that will be coming down. So what will be if an upside target? Okay, if it is taking this support, in case if it is a gap up for tomorrow, I think Bank Nifty can go upward moment. Okay, for upward targets, it can easily reach 56,327. If it is upward target, it can easily reach 56,327, which was the previous high. So this will act as a resistance, continue to act as a resistance. $56,330. Okay. So it is currently at the support. So it is a liquidity which can be also taken down. So the price can touch 56,000. Okay, we have to be very careful at this point. Price can touch 56,000. 56,979. Yes. So what I would suggest is currently it is in a downtrend. If it comes here, it can come to this support 56,970. I will put this as 980 to safer side. Okay. It can come down to this level. Okay. And it can bounce up as well. There is a chance. Okay. There is a chance. Otherwise, it can also break. So we cannot predict it, but there is a strong support. Okay, so if I come to 30 minutes, it will be more clear. So if it breaks 55,980, then it comes to take the liquidity at 55,850. 55,850 was the previous clearly the support taken. So price will start bouncing from here. So it can be more range bound. I would say that price can be range bound between 56,330 and 55,850. Okay. Long support. Bank Nifty can be seen range bound between 56,330 to 55,850. When I say range bound, it can move between these points. Tomorrow is Thursday. It can move here on the first half of the day, and it can break here. Or it can move from the first half of the day till the support point, and it can give a big rally at the end of the day. Because tomorrow is Thursday, it is going to take the premium, hit the premium at both sides. That is why I'm giving this large target. And we have the pivot, very narrow pivot. So tomorrow price can be volatile. Currently, price is at downside, but there is a large support here. So we have many support points. So it is important to be cautious on both sides. Okay. So this will be the prediction for tomorrow. Nice. So what I would suggest is safe trade, happy trade. So these are the targets, and I'm not putting it. Yeah, let me put a short screenshot. Yeah, this is from Bank Nifty. Okay. So happy trade, a safe trade, team. See you tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye.